Welcome. This is a demonstration of doing a slow bridge using a block to help stabilize your hips. So, you want your standard yoga block. If you don't have a yoga block, you can use a pillow, you could use a book, anything that's going to help keep your adductors, those are the muscles on the inside of the legs, engaged. And you decide if you need like the narrow side or the wide side. It's up to you. You get to choose and figure out which one works best for you. So you place the block between your knees and hold the block there. And you're going to see me probably move my feet closer to my hips here in a minute. Yep, right there. All right. And when we go into the bridge, I want you to think about moving one vertebra at a time and just being really slow about it. So, starting at the tail, so we're coming down here, and now we're going to come back up. So, I'm going to rotate the pelvis forward, get the tailbone, move through the sacrum, the low back, come through the mid back, up into the upper back. And the entire time we're going to exhale. And then as we come down, nice and easy, you're going to roll through those vertebrae one at a time again, keeping this within your own range of motion. Okay. And keeping it comfortable. We're not looking to see how far you can go. We're looking to engage the glutes, create stability in the pelvis, create strength in the muscles in the back as we're doing this. And by moving one vertebra at a time, we're helping to build safety around that movement in your body so that your body can support you. All right. I hope you enjoy this and thank you very much for joining me.